Hey everyone, in this guide I'll show you how to download Audacity safely on Windows, Mac, or Linux. It only takes a few minutes, and using the official download page helps you avoid fake installers and unwanted software. First, open your web browser and go to the official Audacity website. You can search for Audacity download, then make sure the address belongs to audacitytam.org before you download anything. On the website, click the download button in the top menu. This takes you to the page where you can choose the version made for your computer. Now select your operating system. Choose Windows if you use a Windows PC, Mac OS if you use a Mac, or Linux if that is your setup. The page should show the latest stable release, so pick the download option for your device. Click the download button, then wait for the installer file to finish downloading. Depending on your browser, you may see it at the top or bottom of the window, or inside your downloads folder. On Windows, open the downloaded installer. If Windows asks for permission, choose Yes. Then follow the setup prompts, keep the default options if you are unsure, and click Install. And that's how to download Audacity. Just use the official website, choose the correct installer for your computer, and follow the setup steps. Once it's installed, you can start editing audio right away.